How to check views on Facebook video. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can check views on Facebook video. So let's just dive right into the video and find out how to. So if you want to check your views on Facebook video, these are the methods you can follow up. For that, all you need to do is open up your Facebook first. So you can directly open up your Facebook, and once you've opened up your Facebook, you can go over to your profile and tap on to open up your profile page. And once you open up, under your profile, you can find post, photos, and videos. So you can directly head over to videos section, and when you go over there, you should be finding the number of views under your video. So I have 2 reels right now. I have posted that on my Facebook, or if there's any video also, you will be finding it right here. So the next thing you need to do is, in the bottom you should be finding under the video a number. Right now it is 33 and 24. That is number of views that I have on that video. So if you want to view that views, you just need to go ahead and look out on the section, and for now Facebook only allows us to see the number of the viewers but not who has viewed. So that is only the method you can apply for now. So that is how you basically check views on Facebook video. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.